Hi, this is the installation tutorial video for your new door hardware. These are the tools required for the installation. To install this knob set correctly, first you must remove the inside knob, like this. Use the tool provided to depress the small button on the neck and slide the knob off. Next, you're going to remove the back plate. Using the template provided, mark the door either 60 or 70 millimeters from the edge of the door. Also, from the front edge of the door, mark the center line for the latch. The next step is to drill a 54 millimeter hole at the mark on the door. And now drill the 25 millimeter hole in the front edge of the door. Install the latch into the 25 millimeter hole and mark the front edge of the door. Now chisel the front edge of the door for the latch. Next, install the latch, making sure that the bevel is facing the way that the door closes. Next, put in your screws. And now you're going to install the knob set through your 54 millimeter hole, ensuring that it connects with the latch. And then you're going to install your inner plate, like so, and screw in the screws with a screwdriver. And now we're going to install the back plate, screw it on, and we're going to put on the knob, ensuring that the two notches slide down a small groove on the shaft. And now it's time to install the striker plate. So it's important we close the door and mark in the center of the latch. Now we're going to do a vertical line down the center of the frame. We're going to apply our striker plate like so, in the center square, making sure our cross is in the middle, and we're going to trace around the outside of our striker plate like so. Now chisel around the marked line for the striker plate. Now for the final stages of the installation, we're going to fit your striker box into the frame. And with the screws provided, we're going to fit the striker plate. Screwing it in with a screwdriver, like so.